The second test is to measure how much imbalance the gimbal motor can withstand. In this case, you need your camera, your gimbal, and a weight. In this case, it's a 46-gram weight with a single load point. The axis for the pitch in this case is right here. So we'll suspend this weight a distance out from that point until it can no longer withstand the force. So the maximum distance is approximately there. So you take the distance in millimeters from the axis to the load point times the mass of your weight, and you'll have torque in gram millimeters.